Hello, my name is Eric Frick and I'm your instructor for Cloud Native 220 Kubernetes Operations. I have over 30 years of experience in the IT field and have been working as an instructor at the college level as well as in corporate training for more than 10 years. Here's what you can expect with this course. In Kubernetes Operations, you'll spend the bulk of your learning time engaged in lab activities on real cloud servers, not just simulators. This practical experience is supplemented by lessons that will help you master the skills necessary for day one Kubernetes operations for managing applications. This intermediate course is a great step in your cloud native learning journey and serves as a prerequisite for advanced Kubernetes operations. Kubernetes operations covers everything you need to know in order to operate applications on any Kubernetes clusters. Using best practices as guiding principles, we'll explore the Kubernetes architecture so you can make informed decisions for production workloads. Topics include configuring resource availability for applications, managing application deployments, releasing application updates, implementing advanced scheduling for applications, and administering roles and permissions for Kubernetes clusters. We'll also cover routing network traffic, provisioning storage, implementing role-based access control, and multi-tenancy. This course is targeted at infrastructure and integration engineers tasked with day-to-day application workload management, as well as IT professionals looking to expand their skills in Kubernetes administration. Learners who want to perform day one operational tasks on Kubernetes will benefit greatly from this course as they plan to deploy their Kubernetes production environments. Sign up today to begin your journey with Kubernetes operations. I look forward to seeing you in class. Bye-bye.